Okay, so we're going to use this vehicle up here for a parallel park. So I'm going to keep the car out here. I want to be about a meter away. As I'm slowing in, I'm checking in behind, and we'll put the signal on to indicate our intention. Now, it is a tinier little car, but I do want to come up and line up the rear bumpers at this point. Now, I'm not going to start steering here. I'm going to go into reverse, have a good look around, and I'm going to take it back just slightly. Now, I want to go to about 45 degrees on the road. So I'm steering relatively quickly, but keeping the car in slow. And about here, we are at about 45 degrees. So at this point, I am going to quickly bring the front end in, looking back and forth, watching the front as well, looking back to see what's behind, and looking here, looking at the front, checking all around, and bring the front in like so.
He's doing it wrong, but how? Get the Driver's Coach app for real-time driving feedback. Download in our bio.